Subject Maths 2, Standard 9th, video number 9. Lesson number 2, Parallel Lines, Practice Set 2.2, question number 4. See children, in this figure, the information given, you have to write in the given. You have to write the points given to find and solution. So what is given? Ray BA. See, this is ray BA, which is parallel to ray DE. Means these two rays are parallel. So you can extend this line. Okay, so it will be easy to understand. Is it? So these two lines are parallel. Angle C is 50 degree. Angle D is 100 degree. This is given. What you have to find? To find angle ABC. Angle ABC means this angle you have to find out. Okay. See children, in the question, this is figure and this in question is here, but hint is given in the question. What is the hint? Draw a line passing through point C and parallel to line AB. This hint is given. So with the help of this hint, we can solve the question easily. So first of all children, see, I am going to draw the line which is passing from point C. See children, this is the line. Obviously you have to draw with scale and pencil, not like this. Children, so this is the line, third line. So see, if you observe, these lines are parallel, is it? So the line, this line is parallel to this AB. So you can give the name also. Suppose this is P, suppose this is X, this is M. Okay children, so it will be easy if you give the labeling of this. Is it? Now solution. See children, how to solve this question first. See, these two lines are parallel lines. Okay. So if you observe this one, see this line D, E and coming here and here. So this is Z. This is called ulta Z. Okay. दिसतोय ना? हा Z shape मध्ये आहे. हा जो angle आहे, this angle which is congruent to this one. This angle, is it? So what is the name? Angle EDC. Sorry children, C. Angle EDC congruent angle DCP. The reason is alternate angle, means which are in Z shape. See, this is alternate angle. So these two angles are congruent, but this angle EDC is 100 degree. So obviously angle DCP is also 100 degree. Okay, DCP is 100. This total angle is 100. So how this DCP is formed? By addition of these two angles. So you can write angle DCP is equal to angle DCB plus angle BCP. See here, DCP means this angle and this one BCP. This is 100. This is 50 plus angle BCP. Shift 50 here. 100 minus 50 is equal to angle BCP. So angle BCP is 50 degree. Okay children, so this angle is 50 degree. Is it? Here these are alternate angle. Here one more thing you have to write. Ray DE parallel ray AB. If the lines are parallel, then only you can apply the alternate angle test. Is it children? So this angle is now BCP is 50 degree. Now observe children here. See, this is AB. This is parallel to line PX. Why? Because of construction. These two lines are parallel and this is transversal. Because of this transversal, these two angles are formed, which is interior angles. Is it children? So ray AB parallel ray PX. What is the reason? construction. That is the hint given in the question, that is construction. And BC is transversal. Okay children, BC is transversal. So these two angles are formed. What is the name of this angle? ABC. And name of this angle? BCP. Therefore, angle ABC plus angle BCP is equal to 180 degree, as it is interior angles. Okay children. So ABC is not given, write down as it is. BCP is 50 degree. See here. 50 is equal to 180 degree. So angle ABC is equal to, shift 50 here, 180 minus 50. Therefore angle ABC is equal to 130 degree. Okay.